Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Live Lifestyle Life. I am sure Mr. My today's video is going to be on this look that I am wearing right now. This is pink glam look. So without further ado, let's get into it. I have moisturized my skin really well because before doing any kind of makeup, skincare is really important. Now I am using my NYX concealer. I am in the shade Ivory. I'm doing the eye makeup first, so I'm using concealer first. Now I'm blending it with the help of a sponge. Now I'm going to set my concealer with my umbrella powder. I use my umbrella powder as my loose powder. Now I'm using my Hilary Rhoda palette. Oh, before that, I have DIY a blending brush. This brush credit goes to Innocent Angel. I have seen her video and made this one. If you are interested in watching that video, I will link her video in the description box below. Please check that out. And now I am taking a light pink color from my palette and I am applying it in my crease as my transition color. I have been practicing makeup regularly, so I think I am doing well. If you guys think I have made any mistake, please let me know in the comment section below so that I can correct myself. So now I have taken a flat round brush like this. Now I will take a darker pink color from my palette and will put it in my eyelids. I'm gonna blend it with the transition color to have a smoky effect. After that, I'm taking a reddish pink color and I'm going to apply that too on my eyelid for more deeper color. And then I'm going to take the silver color from the same palette and I'm putting that on my eyelid, 1/3 of the eyelid, to give it a shimmery shade. Or effect, whatever you call it, a shimmery effect or shade like that. Okay, look at the eye makeup till now. I don't know what I was doing. Oh. So now we will do the face makeup. For that I'm taking my Blue Heaven primer. At this price range, this is the best primer in India till date. If you are a beginner in makeup, go for this one. Or if you are on a budget, you can try it out. Then I'm using my Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 220 Natural Beige. This foundation shade is a little bit light on my skin tone, but this foundation oxidizes, so everything will be settled down. For getting a flawless look, you need to blend your foundation really well. Blending is like magic, because if you can blend well, your base will be flawless, and you will look really nice. So always remember to blend your foundation really well. So now I'm going to set my face with the same umbrella powder. I don't set my whole face with powder. I just set my under eyes and my T-zone, because I'm a combination skin person. So now I am taking a flat small brush to line my lash line. Draw my lash line. I'm really sorry guys, I am a beginner in makeup. I don't know what it is called. I just know doing this makes your eyes look bigger and beautiful. I'm learning makeup. I'm not a pro at makeup. So please spare me if I make any mistake, and let me know in the comments if I did any mistake so that I can correct myself. By the way, I used the same pink color that I used for my transition color. Now I have taken a small angle brush and I will take the silver color from the same palette and highlight my inner corners. Highlighting your inner corners really changed the game. It looks so pretty and so beautiful. I cannot say it enough. The day I started doing it, I couldn't stop doing it till now, because it looks so pretty. It just opens up your eyes and it really looks beautiful. I can't explain it in that way, but it looks really pretty. Can you see the change? It looks pretty. Not just pretty, just so pretty. Now I'm taking my Lakme Iconic Kajal pencil for lining my upper waterline and lower waterline both together. You can go for a eyeliner, but I'm here just okay with the kajal because I wanted to keep it really simple. So now I will do my mascara with the Lakme Iconic Mascara. Always get rid of the extra because with extra mascara in the sticks, your lashes get to stick together and it doesn't look good. So now I'm using my Glam 21 blush palette and I'm using the rosy pink color for my blush because this is a pink glam makeup look. Then I will take a big flat brush for highlighting and I'm taking the same silver eyeshadow. I'm sorry guys. Silver eyeshadow for highlighting my cheekbones and my nose. And my cupid bone and my chin a little bit, then my forehead. And then I'll be using my L18 Colourpop lipstick in the shade Kiss Pink. No, Pink Kiss, something like this. I will mention it in the description box below. Okay, so now I'm using a spoolie to brush my eyebrows, which have grown like jungle. I have taken a small flat brush and I'm using a brown eyeshadow from the same palette to fill in my eyebrows. So I'm done. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, be happy.